Space is beautiful. We all know that. Glowing nebulae, spinning galaxies, golden sunrises from orbit. But what we don't talk about enough is how terrifying it really is. Because beyond that beauty lies something else. Silence so deep it feels unnatural, and darkness that hides things we still can't explain. Today, we're diving into the scariest, most mind-breaking discoveries ever made in space. Some of these will make you feel very, very small. Some will make you question if we're truly alone. And at least one of them has no good explanation at all. Let's begin. Let's start with something you've probably heard of, but have no idea how truly terrifying it actually is. Black holes. We all know the basic idea. A place where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Not even light. Not even time. But here's what they don't tell you in school. If you fell into a black hole, you wouldn't just die. You would be stretched like spaghetti, literally pulled apart, atom by atom as you cross the edge. Scientists actually call this process spaghettification. That's a real word. Real scientists came up with that name because it's the best way to describe what happens to you, but that's not the scariest part. At the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, there is a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It is 4 million times heavier than our sun. 4 million times. And it is sitting right there, at the heart of the galaxy we live in, just 26,000 light years away. Now, it's not going to swallow us tomorrow, but knowing that something that enormous is at the center of our cosmic home, that changes things. And Sagittarius A star isn't even close to the biggest. The largest black hole ever discovered, TON 618, is 66 billion times the mass of the sun. If you placed it where our sun is, it would swallow every single planet in our solar system with room to spare. 66 billion suns in one object. Take a moment with that. Okay, black holes are scary, but at least there's something. What's scarier than a massive, all-consuming object? Absolutely nothing. In 2007, astronomers discovered something that broke their brains completely. A region of space, almost 1 billion light years across, that contains almost nothing. No stars, no galaxies, no gas, no dark matter, just empty space. It's called the Boötes Void, and scientists genuinely don't have a solid explanation for why it exists. In the universe, matter clumps together over time. Gravity pulls things toward each other. So finding a region this enormous and with virtually nothing in it goes against everything we understand about how the universe works. Some scientists jokingly called it the supervoid. Others made a more chilling suggestion that it could be evidence that another universe once collided with ours and left a scar. Yes, a scar from a collision with a whole other universe. That idea, called the bubble universe collision theory, is still actively debated. We went looking for stars. We found a hole in reality instead. And here's the part that really gets you. If our entire Milky Way galaxy were dropped inside the Boötes Void, you could travel for millions of years in any direction and not find another galaxy. We would be completely, utterly alone. On August 15th, 1977, astronomer Jerry Ehman was going through data from a radio telescope at Ohio State University. He was looking for signals from deep space as part of the SETI project, which searches for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. And then he saw it. A signal so strong, so perfect, so unlike anything natural that he grabbed his red pen and circled it on the printout. Next to it, he wrote one word: wow. The signal, now called the WOW. Signal lasted 72 seconds. It came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It matched almost perfectly the kind of signal scientists thought an alien civilization might use to make contact. Scientists searched for it again, and again, and again. It has never been heard since. We still don't know what sent it. For nearly 50 years, the WOW signal has sat there, unexplained. It wasn't a satellite. It wasn't a comet. It wasn't a plane. Every natural explanation has been tested and ruled out. The most honest answer scientists can give you today is, we don't know. Think about what that means. In 1977, something out there, something, sent a 72-second burst aimed straight at us, then went silent forever. Was it a message? A mistake? A malfunction of some unknown technology? We have no idea. And silence when you were waiting for an answer is one of the scariest sounds in the universe. This sound You've heard of black holes. You've heard of supernovas. But have you heard of magnetars? A magnetar is a type of dead star, what's left after a massive star explodes. It's only about 20 kilometers wide, about the size of a city. But what it lacks in size, it makes up for in pure, terrifying power. A magnetar has a magnetic field so strong that it would affect the iron in your blood from 1,000 kilometers away. If you got within 1,000 kilometers of one, which you'd never survive anyway because of the radiation, it would pull the atoms in your body apart. Your atoms. Apart. Now here's the part that should make you check where the nearest magnetar is. In December 2004, a magnetar 50,000 light years away, on the other side of the Milky Way, released a burst of energy that hit Earth. It was called SGR 1806-20. It lasted just 1/5 of a second. In that fifth of a second, it released more energy than our sun produces in 250,000 years. It briefly disrupted Earth's upper atmosphere. From 50,000 light years away, imagine if it had been closer. The nearest known magnetar to Earth is about 9,000 light years away. That sounds far, but in cosmic terms, it's practically next door. And magnetars are unstable. They flare without warning. Space is beautiful. Space is awe-inspiring. But space is also ancient, indifferent, and unimaginably violent. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. As we go deep into the universe every week, drop a comment. Which one scared you the most? The wow, signal, the great void? I'll see you in the next one.